What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me I have the new car for the channel. Needs a little bit of work, but good deal. Picked this up for it was free because my dad paid $500 for it. He didn't want to deal with it, needed a motor. Got a motor for it, and then I put in a new clutch too while I was at. And it was about $500 for the clutch and the motor together. The motor has 66,000 miles, and then labor was only $400. But as you can see, sun fade, little stuff that I'll be cleaning up, wet sanding, and then spraying new clear, touching that up too. Other than that, I mean, it's not too bad. It did have issues, common Tiburon issues. This wasn't working. I did order a new one, but I didn't want to put a video on replacing this since it's like 2 bolts and a couple clips. But then window motor, I'm gonna be putting a video on how to do it. I think it's just these 3 bolts. I did replace the cable going to the door handle. That's a common problem, that or the door handle breaking. But just I mean, regardless how it looks, I mean, check it out. Starts right up. Moves on its own, pretty much. I mean, for $900 invested, I mean, just wait. I'm thinking about throwing some nitrous, but stay tuned on the channel. Like and subscribe.